Welcome back to our series episode number 4. Today, here I'm going to show you how to use table. Now, when you want to use table, as the name itself, you just say table. Now, within the table, we will have table, table header, table head. Within the table head, it will have some titles like, let me say, table head will have table is table header. Within this header, let me duplicate it 4 times, and here I will put name, country, your origin, your age, and gender. Now, down here, I will put what after this we will have table body. In the table body, we will have table data. And this data will have the name. The first one is the name, so the name will be John Doe. Second one is country, Kenya. Number 3 is the age 30 or 40. Gender will be male. And this is how it is. Now, if we copy this down, this, the whole of the body, copy down, and change the name. So first here will be John Mike, for example, from USA, age 44, maybe female. So let's make the name Mike. And maybe here you will have Matthew. From South Sudan, age 20, and male. You see, this browser is being reload. This is how table work, and this is our table. We have the name, the country, the age, and the gender. Very simple, as you can see. So next we are going to introduce some links. When I say links, it means some list. Okay, here in HTML5 we refer them to list, and when you use them, we use them as link when we came to advanced HTML with CSS. So please bear with me. See you in the next video.